Welcome to FM channel. In this video, we are going to see what is LCM. LCM or least common multiple is the smallest positive number, that is a common multiple of two or more numbers. Now, we are going to find the LCM of 18 and 12. For that we should know the multiples of 18 and 12. Since the common multiples of 18 and 12 has 18 into 2 and 12 into 3 is 36, 18 into 4 and 12 into 6 is 72 and so on. From that the least common multiple is 36. Finding LCM for small numbers using multiples is quite simple. But what about if we need to find the LCM of 36 and 56? For that we can't find the common multiples easily. By using prime factorization we are going to find LCM. Since prime factors of 36 are 2 square into 3 square, and 56 are 2 cube into 7. Here the least common multiples are 2 cube into 3 square into 7. That makes LCM as 502. It says that 502 is the least common multiple for 36 and 56. Wait, why we are choosing the highest power here? Share your thoughts in the comment. Thanks for watching. Support us by sharing this video.